Welcome back, folks. Look at this big boy. This is a 2011 Ford F-350 crew cab. It's a 6.5 box. It's a 6.2 liter gas V8. It's a 2-owner unit. It's a fresh trade-in directly to us on an F-150 truck. And it's solid. It's all there, folks. XLT trim pack. Looks like it's got a lift on it. Bed liner. Ice cold air. It's an XL with the power package. So it's got windows locks, tilt, cruise, CD. It also has sync technology with streaming audio and hands-free calling. Power windows. Locks, tilt, cruise. The truck has ice cold air, nice set of tires. Going to be a cash only on this particular vehicle. Miles exceeds our warranty and also our financing. So we're going to do a cash only on this truck, but we're going to put it right on the money for you. I have personally driven it. Like I said, it drives 110%. You hear it running now, runs fantastic. Close this up. You guys get a good look at the body. Rockers are solid, clean. Runs and shifts like a hoss. Check it out. (5333) Lorraine Avenue. That's a corner of 53rd and Lorraine. This truck is now for sale. 50 plus photos on our website. Perfect 2-owner Carfax with 35 dealer service records. A big old smile and great Google reviews. DasCleveland.com.